Beyond redistributing assets, the process of liquidation further entails concluding the DAO's various operational activities. This encompasses deactivating the DAO's digital framework, which may consist of websites, servers, and social media platforms, alongside addressing legal or regulatory prerequisites. This chapter provides an exhaustive step-by-step checklist detailing the operational components to consider during the winding down phase. Additionally, it explores potential legal or regulatory responsibilities and circumstances that may necessitate consulting with legal practitioners or regulatory bodies. Initially, we provide a rundown of the technical aspects to address. This includes the decommissioning of servers, the safe disposal of sensitive data, and the archival of important records. Furthermore, we discuss the shutdown of any active projects or partnerships associated with the DAO. We then delve into the management of digital touchpoints, such as the organization's website and social media accounts. This process involves notifying users, stakeholders, and the general public of the DAO's liquidation, handling data privacy considerations, and possibly archiving important public records. Next, we tackle the aspect of community management, which involves responsibly handling the DAO's online communities. Guidelines on how to inform community members about the liquidation, respond to their queries and concerns, and close the communities respectfully are given comprehensive attention. The chapter also discusses potential legal and regulatory obligations that might emerge during the winding down phase. Depending on the jurisdiction and the specifics of the DAO, there might be requirements to notify regulators, file final reports, or take other actions. While this chapter provides general guidance, consulting with legal experts is recommended to ensure that all obligations are met. The winding down process must be handled with meticulous attention to detail, clear communication, and compliance with all relevant regulations. By the end of this chapter, you'll have a comprehensive roadmap to ensure a smooth and respectful closure of the DAO's operations, aligning with the best interests of all stakeholders involved.